بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to another knowledge sharing video. In this video I will show you how you can read and program parameters of 686 series of IMI smart vibration switches manufactured by IMI Sensors or PCB Piezotronics. For this purpose you can use two different software. If you have programming dongle which part number 070A85 which is obsolete now, then you have to use smart vibration switch programmer version 1.4, and if you have new dongle which part number 070A100, then you have to use new software which is PCB EE225 to program 686 series IMI smart vibration switches. These softwares you can get with purchase of calibration kit. This calibration kit includes programming software, programming dongle and one magnet with holding clip, but you can use any magnet. If you have old calibration kit with 070A85 dongle, then you should get smart vibration switch programmer version 1.4 CD with it. If due to some reason you lost smart vibration switch programmer version 1.4 software, then you can download it through link provided in description. This software will work on Windows XP till Windows Vista operating systems. May it will not work on Windows 7 and above. In this video, I will use old calibration kit which has 070A85 dongle and smart vibration switch programmer version 1.4. If you have 070A100 new dongle, then watch part 3 video of vibration switch series. Before startup, make sure dongle driver for Windows XP or for Windows 7 has been installed. These drivers are available in software folder. Here I will use IMI 686B series smart vibration switch. I will read its existing parameters, then I will show you how you can program this vibration switch. But first understand how we can establish connection between vibration switch and smart vibration switch programmer. Method is so simple. First connect dongle connector to smart vibration switch, then touch magnet on the spot where MAVT is printed. Keep magnet in touch on MAVT, then connect dongle to any USB port. Wait about 8 to 12 seconds, then first remove magnet, then start smart vibration switch programmer software. You will see connection OK message at top left corner. If there is connection error message or demo message will appear, then remove dongle from USB port and repeat same steps again. You can try it by using different USB ports of your laptop or PC. Okay, after establishing connection, you can see lot of parameters, but these parameters are not actual parameters of your connected vibration switch. Remember, these are default parameters or last saved parameters of smart vibration switch programmer. Okay, now I will read the actual parameters of connected vibration switch. For this purpose, click on status button. Reading smart vibration switch status window will appear. It will take some times, 1 to 2 minutes. After that, it will update all parameters. You can see alarm values changed from 7.2 mm per second RMS to 6.7. Sometimes after clicking status button, when software reading vibration switch status, connection failed message will appear. To fix this issue, close the window, exit the software and disconnect dongle from USB port and try to connect vibration switch with normal procedure again. If still there is same issue of connection failure, then exit software and disconnect dongle. This time connect vibration switch with the same procedure but do not remove magnet. Then try to get status of switch without removing magnet. If still there is same problem, then better to replace vibration switch with healthy one. Now I will program this switch according to my requirement. I will change some parameters like alarm threshold change to 7.2 mm per second RMS and operation delay from 6 to 5 seconds. Then to download these parameters in vibration switch, click on program. Window will appear with programming active message. Sometimes it will take 1 to 5 minutes to program vibration switch. Programming complete message will appear. Click OK. For verification again, click on status button to read parameters of switch. Read Smart Vibration Switch status window will appear and you will get updated parameters of connected switch. You can save this configuration for backup or for future reference. For this purpose, click on Save button, then enter the file name and click OK. This saved file is useful if you want to configure many switches with same settings. Now I will load parameters from different saved file and write it to vibration switch. For this purpose, click on down arrow of load box, select required file. You will see all parameters updated according to loaded file. Click program button to enter these values in connected vibration switch. It will take 1 to 5 minutes to complete programming. When programming complete message appears, then click OK. Okay guys, hope you like this video and it will be useful for you. If you like it, then click on like button and share to your friends. May it will be helpful for them. Inshallah, see you in next knowledge sharing video. Till that time, ma salama, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.